Hi everyone, it's Eleanor from Art with Eleanor, and today I'm going to be showing you how to paint some blue watercolour flowers. But before we really get into this video, if you could like and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it. So personally, I'm using these paintings of flowers for a birthday card for my grandma, but I'm sure you could use them for a standalone painting as well. For the main body of the flowers, I'm using the colour ultramarine, and for the leaves, I'm using primary blue. In my opinion, what makes these flowers really stand out is the white spaces left in between the petals. But don't worry if you accidentally go over the lines. If you have some white acrylic paint or a white paint pen, you can always correct these afterwards. The same concept also stands for the leaves. From now on, I'm just going to let you follow along with the speed paint and copy the shapes that I am making. I hope you enjoy this video. You're turning this tutorial into a painting. At this point you obviously don't have to add the lettering. If I were you, I'd probably add some more leaves or another flower into the top left hand corner. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more art content like this.